Good morning, guys. So this morning's video is going to simply be my get ready with me since I am getting prepared to go to work. And today I feel really cute. I don't know if it's the hair. I finally got a chance to fix it a little bit. I gotta fix my edges. Yeah, gotta fix that a little bit more. But I don't know if it has to do with the fact that I feel cute, but your girl is going to do a little bit of makeup. I'm not going crazy because I'm literally running on limited time. I probably have less than 30 minutes now because I like to do a lot of BSing in the morning, which if I cut the BS time down a little bit, I could probably move a little faster. So I'm short on time. So this is gonna be really, really quick. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. This probably will be the last talking that you hear from me. Yeah, so enjoy the video. Everything that I am going to use, I'm going to list in the description box. Yeah, so enough of the rambling. Just watch the video. See you guys later. Mwah. Bye. So guys, I had to finish my makeup off camera because I'm actually running out of time now. So this is the finished look. I didn't get a chance to put on my lashes. I had to stop the lashes because they were just giving me all sorts of problems. The next time I will start this makeup look a little earlier so that way I am done. I am getting ready to get dressed. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. So see you in my next video. Bye.